If y'all are looking for a way to cultivate either in a garden or a garden bed, raised bed, flower bed, without messing with gas and oil and mixing gas and pulling the rope and the smell and the noise, I may have just found what you need. We're going to unbox it. It's called a Seesii, S-E-E-S-I-I. I'm assuming that's Seesii or Seesii. I don't know. Looks a little intimidating, but I want to show you how easy it is to put this thing together and how quick. This is pretty tough, pretty hard ground. I burned a brush pile here a month or two ago. Let's see what it'll do. Wow. Here's some grass. Let's see what it does with that. Now there's a lot of charcoal pieces, wood chips, and things like that. Even pieces of pretty good sized pieces of charcoal. So when it hits that, it kind of jumps a little bit, but this is not your typical garden spot probably. A lot of sticks, things like that in this. It went down to the full, as far as I can tell, it went down to the full 6 inches. I got one little piece on it that I need to remove of grass and stuff. So it's not really clogging up. We're gonna test it on something else in just a second. Moving on to a raised bed garden. This is a bed. Had peas in it last year. I never took the pea vines out, so it's got a lot of vegetation in it. Long pea vines, long grass, tall grass. So obviously it's going to wrap up in there, but look how well it does, even though the tines are completely wrapped up with vegetation. It is still getting in there and churning around and tilling. It still has plenty of power. It didn't slow down at all as it was going through this. So I'll pull it out in just a second. You can see all the vegetation wrapped around it. But look at that. I mean, even though it is full of vegetation wrapped around those tines, it still got down there and went down about 6 inches deep. All in all, I'm quite impressed. Obviously, where I had the peas, had a lot of pea vines and tall grass. That wasn't a great example. So I should have gone in there with my torch, my big blowtorch, and burned all that mess off first. Then it would have done a really, really good job without all the entanglement. But got plenty of power. The battery supposedly lasts 30 to 40 minutes each battery, and it comes with 2 batteries. So a long time tilling, no dragging a cord around, no pulling on a rope, no smelling gas, mixing gas. Your neighbors complaining about you out there at 7 in the morning tilling your garden. And I tell you what, it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. The handle adjusts for the height of the operator. Just loosen this, go down if you want to get, if you're shorter, longer if you're taller. So plenty of adjustment there. I really like this thing. And for somebody that's got a garden and want to cultivate real close to the plants, and you'd rather have a cultivator than a push plow. You know, y'all know I like push plows. But some of us, you would rather use a cultivator, or for raised beds, garden, flower beds, things like that, that you really can't get a push plow in. Man, this is perfect. It goes down deep. It's small enough to get in those garden beds and raised beds. But great little tool if that's what you're looking for. Lasts a long time. Lots of 5-star reviews. People that love this thing. And I tell you what, I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. All right, I think we're gone.